For more than 3 decades, the Hubble Space Telescope has stood as one of the most influential scientific instruments ever placed into orbit. Since its launch in 1990 aboard the Space Shuttle Discovery, it has transformed humanity's understanding of the universe in ways few could have predicted. Positioned high above Earth's atmosphere, Hubble avoids the blurring effects of air and weather that limit ground-based telescopes. This unique vantage point allows it to capture images of space with extraordinary clarity and precision. At first, its mission seems straightforward: observe distant galaxies, glowing nebulae, and faint traces of the early universe. Scientists hoped it would measure cosmic expansion, study stellar nurseries, and explore structures billions of light-years away. But over time, Hubble evolved into something far greater than a deep space observer. Unexpectedly, it became one of humanity's most powerful tools for studying our own solar system. With its stable orbit, precision optics, and ability to revisit the same targets over long periods, Hubble began revealing dynamic processes across planets, moons, asteroids, and comets. Instead of a static system of silent worlds, the solar system appeared alive, filled with storms, impacts, shifting atmospheres, and chemical changes unfolding in real time. Many of these worlds remain only partially explored. Dedicated spacecraft missions are rare and often brief, capturing only snapshots before moving on. In the long gaps between such missions, Hubble has quietly taken on the role of a long-term observer. From its vantage point hundreds of kilometers above Earth, the telescope repeatedly turns its gaze toward familiar planets, documenting subtle transformations that would otherwise go unnoticed. Its greatest strength is patience. Unlike flyby probes that capture fleeting moments, Hubble can return to the same world again and again, building a continuous record of change across decades. Of course, the telescope has limitations. It was designed primarily for distant observations, not nearby objects. Its field of view is relatively narrow, meaning very large objects close to Earth cannot always fit into a single frame. Our own Moon, for example, appears too large for Hubble to capture in full detail at once. Instead, missions like the Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter handle high-resolution mapping of the lunar surface. Yet even with this limitation, Hubble has contributed to lunar science in creative ways. During the rare transit of Venus 2012, scientists devised an ingenious method to study Venus without pointing directly at the Sun. They used the Moon as a giant mirror. Sunlight filtered through Venus's thick atmosphere, reflected off the lunar surface, and was then captured by Hubble. By analyzing tiny changes in this reflected light, scientists identified key components of Venus's atmosphere, confirming that carbon dioxide dominates its composition. More importantly, this technique became a blueprint for studying the atmospheres of distant exoplanets orbiting other stars. While the Moon presents challenges, Mars is nearly a perfect target. From its distant position, Hubble can capture full-disk images of the planet, global views that orbiting spacecraft often cannot achieve. Over the years, it has monitored seasonal changes on Mars with remarkable detail, tracking the growth and retreat of polar ice caps, shifting cloud patterns, and massive dust storms. One of the most dramatic events occurred in 2001, when a global dust storm engulfed the entire planet. For months, the surface was hidden beneath a swirling veil of dust. Observations like these revealed how active and unpredictable the Martian environment can be, offering valuable insights for future exploration. Hubble has also studied Mars's moon Phobos, which orbits extremely close to the planet. Completing a full orbit in just over 7 hours, Phobos is gradually being pulled inward by tidal forces. Scientists believe that in tens of millions of years, it may either crash into Mars or break apart, potentially forming a temporary ring system. Observing this slow decay provides clues about the long-term evolution of planetary systems. Beyond Mars lies the asteroid belt, a vast region filled with remnants from the early solar system. Hubble has revealed that many of these objects behave in surprising ways. Some asteroids develop comet-like tails despite containing little ice. In certain cases, this activity results from sunlight gradually increasing an asteroid's rotation until surface material is flung into space. These findings have changed how scientists view asteroids. Many are not solid rocks, but fragile, rubble piles, loosely held together by gravity. Hubble even captured the aftermath of a high-speed collision between two asteroids, producing an unusual X-shaped debris cloud, evidence that the asteroid belt remains a dynamic and sometimes violent environment. Farther out, the giant planet Jupiter dominates with its immense gravity. Often described as a cosmic shield, it can capture or deflect objects that might otherwise threaten the inner planets. This role became dramatically clear during the comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 impact, when fragmented comet pieces slammed into Jupiter's atmosphere. Hubble observed the impact scars in extraordinary detail, revealing the immense energy released during such collisions. It has also studied Jupiter's powerful auroras, vast glowing regions near the poles created by charged particles interacting with its magnetic field. Among Jupiter's many moons, Europa has drawn particular attention. Beneath its icy crust lies a global ocean of liquid water. Hubble has detected signs of water vapor plumes erupting from its surface, suggesting that material from this hidden ocean may reach space. Chemical traces, including salts similar to those in Earth's oceans, hint that Europa could possess conditions suitable for life. Hubble continues to play a vital role in observing Saturn, especially after the Cassini-Huygens mission ended in 2017. Without a dedicated spacecraft in orbit, Hubble now monitors atmospheric changes, massive storms, and seasonal variations in Saturn's rains. It also provides rare long-term observations of the distant ice giants Uranus and Neptune. These worlds have been visited only once by spacecraft, making Hubble's ongoing observations essential. By comparing images taken years apart, scientists can study evolving weather systems and atmospheric behavior on these remote planets. Over more than 30 years of operation, Hubble has exceeded nearly every expectation placed upon it. Its contributions to astrophysics, cosmology, and planetary science have reshaped our understanding of the universe. Even today, as newer observatories like the James Webb Space Telescope begin to explore deeper into space, Hubble remains an essential partner. With careful management, it may continue operating well into the 2040s, working alongside newer instruments rather than being replaced by them. The universe is vast, constantly changing, and filled with unanswered questions. Through its steady gaze, Hubble has shown that even familiar worlds still hold secrets waiting to be uncovered. After decades of observation, one lesson stands above all: the cosmos is never truly silent. It is always active, always evolving, waiting for us to look closely enough to understand its story.